So in this video we are going to learn how to make a DEM, and from this DEM how to we make a slope file as well as the contour map. Okay, just let's start. Just I have to open Google Earth Pro, and you have to find the your study area. Okay, you have to find your study area. Suppose in my case in over there, this area. Okay, it's a part of Sikkim. Okay, this area. Just at first you have to click the add path option. Look at that, there is the add path option. Just click on that add path option and simply move it over here, and you have to choose the area, which area you want to make a shape file. Just simply, okay, just click on that like that, and after that, once you finished it, just simply double click on that. Okay, I finished it, and now what I have to do, just simply name it. I name it DEM. Okay, and simply click okay. Look at that, there is a file is added. So you have to click or right click on that file and just select place as. So in my case I am going to save it in my DEM from zip file, and just save it as a KML file and click OK. Okay, and look at that, this file is saved. And now we have to go to the Google and just write down GPS visualizer. Okay, and then you have to look at that file, elevation data. Just click on that elevation data and look at that over there. Choose file, just choose file, DEM KML file, open and convert and add elevation. Okay, or output file is GPX file. Okay, just convert it. Look at that, this is already ready, and just you have to click on that file. Just click on that file. That's download already done. So I'm going to over there and click on that. Look at that, this file is already downloaded. Cut and paste it over here. Sorry. And then you have to open the ArcGIS, go to the conversion tool. Look at that, and from conversion tool you have to open from GPX to features. Just click on that, and now you have to find the file where you already save the GPX file. In my case over there, and tutorial, DEM from zip, and over there, look at that, click on that file, and now you have to save it. Okay, save it is a save file, DEM shp. Okay, DEM, just click on that and okay. Look at that, the point file is added. If I'm going to open the attribute table, look at that, the elevation is already added. So now you what have to do, just go to spatial analysis tool, look at that IDW option, click on IDW option, and DEM IW is elevation, and over there you have to just click on DEM idw.tif. okay, because it's a TIFF file, a raster file. Okay, now I'm going to convert this point file as a raster file, or as a it's gonna be a DEM file. Okay, just simply click on okay. Look at that, the file is already created. So if I'm going to change the color palette, go to symbology. If I'm going to change the color palette, and the classes maybe 5, open, look at that. Okay, so now what you have to do, it's an DEM file. Okay, it's a DEM file. If I'm going to make an slope file, so what you have to do, go to surface, slope, in this case DEM idw. So you have to, this is slope dot t file. Okay, a degree or percentage rise. Okay, whatever you have to choose, just okay. Look at that. It's a elevation file already created. Okay. If I'm going to change the color plate of this DEM file or class 5, okay, apply, and what I have to do, just click on that and change the color plate. Okay, look at that. Okay, okay, so the black portion is the higher elevation. Okay, similarly what I have to do in the file for DEM, go to stage and option. Okay, look at that. Okay, the file is created. So now I'm going to create contour file. Just click on contour, just DEM, and over there you have to write contour. Okay, contour is a shape file. So what I have to do, just contour, click on that. Okay, save, and contour interval for, in my case, is 20 meter. Just click OK. Look at that. The contour file is already created. Okay. If you want to add the contour name on this interval on this file, just what I have to do, go to the label, as a features and contour, apply. Okay, look at that, the contour is already added. Okay, on this file. Okay, so if you follow the same step or process, you can create a DEM file using Google Earth Pro, as well as on the basis of this DEM file you may create slope file, contour file, as well as any other surface file like a hillshade or aspect map, something like that. Okay, thank you very much. So which kind of a specific topic you want to learn, just comments on me. Okay, thank you very much.